Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm going to give you a little review of this pattern. It's McCall's 8221. It's a new pattern, and I made these shorts here with the ruffle. I honestly did not know that ruffle shorts were in, but I was watching an IG, I think it was an IG reel, and this woman had on a designer outfit, all white, and the shorts were ruffled shorts, exactly like this pattern. So that's when I realized it's popular right now. So I made these, and the material that I used for this is Ankara fabric, and it's an African wax print. And this one has stars on it. Might be hard to see, but it's just got some stars on it. These are so comfortable. They're very, very comfortable. And I like this pattern. It's got inseam pockets. And for my pockets, I used just lining material, because this is a leftover piece of fabric that I've had for more than 3 years. So it's just been sitting waiting for a project, and this, I had just enough to make these shorts. Now the fabric had a really nice border print, but I did not have enough. I wanted to make the ruffle out of the border print, but I didn't have enough to do that. So I figured it was best just to leave it as is. But yeah, I didn't have enough to do the whole ruffle in the border, so I didn't bother with that. But anyway, these shorts, it's a learn to sew pattern. So it's a beginner's pattern. It's very easy. One of the things that I really like about this that makes it so comfortable to wear is that they use 1-inch elastic in this, and that means that it's a comfortable width, so it's not too wide, but it's not narrow, so you don't feel like it's cutting into your stomach. So it's that makes it actually very comfortable to wear. The only changes I did to the pattern were actually my usual changes. I shortened the crotch seam by 1 inch. I actually could have shortened it a bit more, but I just figured I would do 1 inch. And so I lengthened this, not the ruffle, but the shorts themselves, the body of the shorts. I actually lengthened them at the bottom here by 1 inch in order to make up for the shortened crotch, because obviously that was going to make the shorts shorter, and I didn't want that. So I added the inch back on at the bottom and then added the ruffle. But very easy project. I will be making more of these. I want to make view B, which is the one that the model here is wearing. Of course, I will add in some pictures so that you can see what these look like on. I did some pictures with just t-shirt and the shorts, but then I did some more style type pictures, so I want to show you what those look like as well. But that is pretty much it for this review. Do you all ever look at beginners patterns? There was a time where I really wouldn't have considered a beginner pattern, because I'm not a beginner. I'm thinking, well, you know, it's going to be so simple. But yeah, it is so simple. And sometimes it's nice to be able to make something that you can do quickly or do in a weekend and have some basic item to wear, you know, whenever you want. So that's a good thing to keep in mind when you're looking at patterns. They're great for quick, easy projects. But as I said, that's about it for this one. If you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up. I ask that you please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate all of you out there watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.